รู้ชกมา
Okay, so we're going to look at subtraction methods without using a calculator. So imagine we've got 33 take away 21. Now we're starting off very simply showing the method. We look in the units column and we can have 3 at the top here and take away 1, which leaves us with 2. We then move to the tens column and we have 3 at the top, which we can take 2 away from, leaving us with 1. So there, the answer to this problem is 12. Okay, now let's move on and do a 3-digit calculation. 3 digits is when we have 3 numbers, for example 3, 2, 4, 3 separate numbers, they're digits. And we're going to take away 2, 1, 3. Okay, we'll do this one and then we'll look at what we do when we've got a more tricky sum. 4 take away 3 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. Our total is 111. There's 1 in the units, 1 in the 10 and 1 in the hundreds. Right, let's look at something more tricky, things that people do struggle with quite a lot, and that's when there's zeros in there. So if we had 320 subtract 214, you can instantly see we've got a problem because we always start at the top. 0 take away 4. Well, if I've got 0, I've got 0. I can't take 4 away because there isn't any. So I have to get some from somewhere else. So I go to the next column, this column here, and I cross out these 2 tens and I take one of them away and put it here. And the other one stays here. So there's 1 10, there's another 10. Okay, so it's in the tens column. This one's given 1 10 over to the units column, and 1 10 remains here. So now this is worth 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. 1 take away 1 is 0. And 3 take away 2 is 1. Our answer is 106. 6 units, no tens, 100. Right, let's look at something even more tricky. If we have 2 zeros, so we might have 500 subtract 234. Now we know we can do that because 500 is a bigger number, so we can take this away and still be left with a positive result. How are we going to do it? Well, 0 subtract 4 we can't do. Last time we borrowed here, but there aren't any. So this time we have to go to here to borrow. If we borrow 1 from them, they've only got 4. But we put the 1 there, which means this is 10 now. But we have to start here, and these still haven't got any. So let's borrow one of these 10s. So they've got 9, and we can have a 1 there, which makes this 10. Now 10 subtract 4 is 6. 9 subtract 3 is 6, and 4 subtract 2 is 2. We can see now that our answer is 266. Let's try another one like that. Okay, so let's have 700, and we're going to subtract 489. Subtraction sign. Some people say subtract, some say minus, some say take away. These signs have different names. Okay, so I'm going to call it subtract. 0 subtract 9 we can't do, and we can't take any from here because they haven't got any. So we're going to take one from here. They will only have 6 now. So we put 1 there because we've taken 1 off here. That means that there's 10 here. 10 and that's going to be okay. But what about this? We're still without any. So let's cross the 10 out and give them one less. They've only got 9 and put 1 there, that's 10. Now we've got 10, we can take 9 away and it leaves 1. 9 take away 8 leaves 1. 6 take away 4 leaves 2. Our answer is 211. 1 in the units, 1 in the tens, and 2 in the hundreds. Now we can do a check of this calculation to be sure that we've done it right. And what we do is we take the second row of our sum and the answer and we add them together. We should get back to the top row. So 9 and 1 is 10, 0 down, carry 1. 8 and 1 is 9 and 1 is 10, 0 down, carry 1. 4 and 2 is 6 and this one makes 7. We've got back to our answer. Add and subtract are opposites, so we can always check our subtraction sum using an add to check that we get back to the original amount, which tells us that we've done our sum correctly. Thank you for watching.